Hello Glamazons, welcome back. So today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy Boxycharm. I don't know what it is anymore. Birchbox, like I'm just gonna be unboxing this. So if you want to see what I got, then I want to share it with you. Like I haven't done one of these videos in so long. I still get the box every month. And once I stopped filming them, it was like so disappointing because I didn't have anyone to share with. Like, oh my god, I got this, or can you believe you got that piece of shit? You know what I'm saying? And yeah, like I don't have like a makeup friend at work or anything anymore. So I'm like, I need to share this with others. So that's what I am doing. I'm like literally a walking Shein promotion. Shein. Wearing on the bottom, Shein. My socks are not though. I have a funny Shein story, but I can wait till the end. Let's see what I got. I'm like, what month is this? Oh my gosh, yeah, it was just my birthday. I should know what month it is. July. Okay. Hot Glow Summer. Scan to learn about the 5 products in your box. Let's see what those 5 products are. I was gonna say, this looks like I don't know if it's LYS Beauty, I think it is, or it could be Liz, not sure. Triple Fix Serum Skin Tint Stick. Okay, in LN3 Bone Blush. I think I picked this. I usually forget about choice, but I caught it this month. So, but it sounded like it was kind of like a light coverage. Let's see what it says. The ingredient-rich complexion enhancer helps visibly even skin while concealing the look of any blemishes or uneven tone with just a swipe. An all-in-one serum, primer, and foundation, this pigmented blurring stick instantly wipes away the look of breakthrough texture or enlarged pores while giving skin a veil of coverage with a natural skin-like finish. It features a lightweight, easy-to-blend formula with green tea extract, watermelon seed extract, and rosehip oil for lasting hydration and glow. But it doesn't actually say what the coverage is, but I mean, oh, I have foundation on. What am I gonna do? We'll see if I can figure out how to open this box. Packaging is kind of cool. It's really light though. Like, you get hardly any product. It's so light and it's just plastic, so it's actually not the nicest. But here is what it looks like. So, what color is this again? LN3 Bone Blush. It actually might be like a light to medium coverage, actually. Do I have a mirror anywhere? I don't think I do in this room. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm excited to try it when I have the proper tools and I don't have makeup on already. All right, let's go on. Ooh, I love Glow Recipe products. This is the Pomegranate Peptide Firming Serum. Firming and lifting. Okay, does not feel like this is heavy. Oh, it's only an ounce. It feels heavier than an ounce. Okay. And I love their packaging too. That's just so cute. Okay, it's a little pump. Let's see what she says. Firm and lift the appearance of skin while deeply hydrating with this clinically effective serum. It targets all skin stages and ages to visibly help improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay. I'm really excited to try that. What it looks like. Oh wow, that's That's like a really unique tech, like, oh my gosh, I don't think I've ever felt anything like that. It's really hard to explain. Oh my gosh, that feels really cool though, like really hydrating, and wow, that's really cool. It's really unique. Okay. This is Be Your Own Desire, and then it says Whimsical Lavender. I'm faintly recalling I may have picked this. Can't really remember these days. Okay, here's what that looks like. Ooh. Okay, that's really pretty purple color. It's like a holographic also. I don't know if you can pick that up. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay, well, I'm glad I picked that. I made a good choice. All right. Volition Grenache Retinol Eye Cream. Okay, this is another brand I like. I haven't tried many of their products, but the ones I have tried, I like. This emollient formula revitalized the delicate skin around the eyes while going to work at 4 major signs of aging: crow's feet, sagging, puffiness, and dryness. And this has retinol in it. Retinol, sorry, red. It says a retina in it. And not all eye creams do. Oh my gosh, I feel like I don't know, I just got deja vu when I saw this, so maybe I've tried this before. All right, and the last product is this. I don't know, oh, I can't look it up, I'm filming with my phone. If the brand is Dubai Colorway or Bisha. It's a blush set. Cream and powder blush set. All right. Bisha is probably, no, but if there's two, there would be 2 colors, right? 2 shades. Let me open it, maybe that'll give me some more answers. The packaging is really pretty. It's like, and it's a cool texture too. No, I guess Bisha is the color? No, I still don't know, to be honest. Okay. Ooh, it's very pretty though. I must have chosen this. Because I've been wanting to get the Morphe, I think it's a trio of blushes. Like I saw this really pretty hot pink. So then when I saw this, I was like, oh, I'll just take that instead. Okay, so here, ooh, that's really soft. This is the powder blush. Ooh, that's really soft too. Fix my lighting. I don't know if that helped or not. If I can get the film off the mirror, I might try and put some of this on. Or is that, oh no, oh my god, there is no mirror. It's just the inside of the case. It looked like it was a blurry mirror, you know, that you needed to peel the film off of. Nope. Some of that on. That's pretty. Yeah, I like that. Very pretty. Yeah, this was a really good box. I'm most excited for the glow recipe just because that was a really unique texture and I just like their products anyways. And ooh, that eyeshadow stick, I'm really excited to try this. And the blush is good. Like perfect, like my exact vibe. and my aura too. I went to breakfast with some coworkers today, and one of the new nurses, he can like see people's auras, and I know what my aura is, and I'm like, what's my aura? And he's like, pink. I'm like, yep. But it's true, and like if you look it up, a pink aura is someone who's very empathetic, extremely sensitive, intuitive, and they have a tendency to get used by people, and people take advantage of them. They love so deeply and they don't give up easily. So yeah, which is why I'm single. And I think it's better that way. So, oh my god, where are they going? Oh yeah, you're right. So, and then I started reading people's palms. But yeah, alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this Ipsy Boxycharm unboxing. Bye.